Is that your thing?
Sorry, I gotta clear my throat. You gotta be professional. I know it's your first time.
Ow now, brown cow.
Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box.
Arsonist has oddly shaped feet.
Today we have with us John Yodzis. John, what is your title? Janitor?
Yeah, that's it. Controller of you.
Good luck with that.
Yeah.
John, why don't you tell the people out there who you are?
President and CEO of DOW Electronics.
Very fancy title.
Sounds
he
fancy.
is very fancy. Did you guys hear his warm-up, his brown cow?
Oh no, brown cow.
He's a little nervous about his first episode, but we're excited to have John. We are here celebrating our first birthday.
Happy birthday.
John brought a balloon.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
I'm very excited. Thank you, John.
Or happy anniversary.
That
I could have gotten you flowers.
It would have been sweeter. You're not very sweet to me. I like your marker.
Thanks.
Together, we're like Christmas.
This is nicer.
Put them together. Put them together. There you go. See?
It's like lightsabers.
So, today, we were here really to say thank you to everybody, right? Yeah. What do you mean, everyone? Everyone! Right? That's kind of the idea of the show today. We wanted to run through and just kind of give a big thank you, first and foremost, to the subscribers. There's some really impressive statistics as we run through this. We did want to look at the show and see, does it make sense to continue doing the show? And we're excited to say it does. Ultimately, these statistics to us are very impressive. We started this from ground zero, but in 1 year, we've had 194,000 impressions. We've had 26,000 views, right?
Wow.
Of those 26,000, 14,500 unique viewers. Fancy,
Fancy.
right? I picked up my paper even though you told me not to pick up my
I saw
paper.
that.
Whatever they tell me to do, I don't do.
saw it.
Just don't pick your hands up higher than this. This is the Andre line. 630 plus subscribers, which is great. And then 1.5 thousand hours of view time on the channel so far.
Nice. Solid.
Yeah, so
Good
we're feeling
statistics.
pretty good about the first start.
We're YouTube professionals.
We're
social media influencers.
We're getting closer by the minute.
Social media influencers. But we also couldn't do it without our vendors. They provide some amazing prizes for us, and we can open the box. We can't open the box without the boxes and the product. And so it gives us the opportunity to show you what the technology industry has in store for both car, home, satellite, the world in which we operate. And so we really appreciate the vendor support. We couldn't do it without them.
Yeah, absolutely. And a big congratulations, right? And the vendor side of it is the amount of money that's been given away on the show.
Yeah.
I think it's a pretty sounding amount. You got the total for the
Yeah,
prizes?
so 47 winners so far. So over the course of this What the FAQ, 47 winners and $24,000 in prizes.
It's crazy. And we one thing we always push for is comments, right? Everything we show on the show is given away. We've actually had 2 separate retailers win 3 times. That would be Quest Systems and Jimmy Carr of Columbus. Jimmy's has actually won 3 times for a total of $3,389.94. I almost messed the number up. I was very impressed.
That's a big number.
Almost $3,400 worth of prizes just by watching and commenting.
Awesome.
It's fun to watch it. A lot of the guys are coming back and sending us pictures of when they install the products or use the products. It's a great opportunity. We actually do have a raffle this show. We'll
One
go
more
over at the
prize.
end.
Another prize.
We do have another prize.
For the birthday celebration.
Yes.
So we're going to raffle off, if you comment, we're going to raffle off $500 in DOW credit on your DOW account.
Yep. And the way we would like to do it this time is we are looking at implementing some changes to the show. So rather than just putting your dealership's name or number with DOW, which you can still do, we'd like to hear your feedback. We've got some ideas for shows in the future, and then we've got some changes that we're going to do. On the idea side, we kind of wanted to focus on really how and why. Right now we're just showing what's in the box, but we thought it would be useful for you guys if we started going over how to install the product. If that was a show series, so how the FAQ, right? How the FAQ, or why to sell it. So, right, why the FAQ. So those are kind of the 2 ideas. We'd love to see your comments and thoughts below on which of the 2 you find more valuable. Would it be better to focus on installation, so how the FAQ? Or would it be better to talk about how to sell it, right? Why the FAQ? What is it there for?
Absolutely.
So that's kind of some of the new changes we want to see as far as new show types. John, you want to talk about some other stuff?
So we also want to change up, not that you're getting tired of watching What the FAQ and our beautiful training room with our cabinets in the background, but we're looking at incorporating a backdrop that gives us the ability to show different settings, as well as maybe doing a mobile What the FAQ version where we take the show on the road and you get to see various areas of the country, trade shows we're at, events we're at, and we'll do it on the road.
And new hosts. We want to try to get some new people and new faces. I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing my mugs, so at some point...
Definitely tired of seeing Eric's, that's for sure.
Certainly tired of seeing Eric's, but at the end of the day, John's already made a nice big investment in the new backdrop we have for this episode. For one-time use only.
It was expensive.
One-time use only. Outside of that, I really wanted to say thank you to a group you guys don't get to see often, and I'd like to call up the 3 people you don't get to see who are behind the camera here, which would be Andre, Jay, and Mandy. Come on up. Come on. Move it. They didn't know this was going to happen. They're all really angry. They get to yell at us from the background.
It's easy for them to be in the background and yell. Now they can come up.
I got to come on camera. But a big thank you to this crew because, they're here. Yeah, we'll pull this down. We'll pull down our backdrop for you guys. They're here all the time. Andre does the majority of the editing. Mandy and Jay do all the organizing and creativity, and we just talk like idiots. So without them, there really isn't much of a show. So we certainly want to say thank you to them as well.
So here's to year 2. It's going to be a good year. Get excited for some new episodes, some new concepts, some additions, and we thank you.
Yeah, and enjoy some highlights and some outtakes, maybe some bloopers, whatever this guy right here has got planned for you.
Thanks.
See you guys.
Bye.
In the new year.
Hi everybody, thanks for coming to What the Fuck.
It's still recording.
Should we put...
And we're back.
Get all nice and stretchy.
Yeah. Would you like some chips?
No.
Do we have a stand-on that wants to try a chip? Everybody want to go? I can't read my writing.
Yeah, it's huge. You're gonna kill the camera.
Tell you something. We're gonna get this episode started right now.
The band.
Crocodile Dundee.
All right, this is a knife, y'all. We're gonna take a look at this. All right.
So bad. All right, that's all. Anyway, cool. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, we gotta start.
Good. So we have a.
No, I gotta. You don't get. Come on, man. Start the show.
Start it up, man.
Like this. Are you done?
I flicked it and I was instantly like I should have kept that.
You know what's the worst? I was trying to shave my beard and I think I messed it up last night. It was a bad idea.
Wow, good story, bro.
It's the bald eye view camera. Feeling good? You wanna do like a little song?
I don't know. I feel like we should work our way through the rest of this.
I'm good, man. It's you.
Beef jerky?
No.
Every time you go through the drive-thru.
Doesn't sound anything like